For Skills Check 5.8, this program is meant to take in a user input as a string and print the input backwards on the same line. The program begins by importing the necessary libraries and establishing the main method signature. It then asks the user to enter a word by opening a JOption pane pop-up on their screen. After the input is entered, the program finds the character length of the string and assigns the last letter of the input to a string called output. A while loop is then run, which moves backwards from the last character to the first character of the input until there are no characters left, printing each character on the same line in succession. The program ends by moving the cursor to the next line. For Skills Check 6.4, this program is meant to take inputs of different prices from a user until they enter -99, and add a 7% sales tax if the cost is over $5, and then print the total cost. It starts by importing the necessary libraries and establishing the main method signature. It then declares two variables to hold the item price which the user inputs and the sum of all inputs. It declares a new number format instance afterwards. After running a while loop that prompts the user to input prices until they enter -99, the program then uses an if statement to check if the total price of all inputs is greater than 5. If it is, it adds 7% to the total amount and outputs the new number, and if not, it outputs the price without the tax.